Good morning, students. Today's topic is relations and functions. In a previous video, I also taught you about the relations. Link or connection between any two variables, link or connection between any two object or between any two article is called a relation. And mathematically we can explain it like, let A and B are two sets, two non-empty sets. Then a subset of A cross B is called a relation from a set A to set B, and it is denoted by A R B, like A is related to B by the relation R. In support of that, we are taking the questions. Here the question number 1 is A is equal to 1, 2, 3 to till 14 natural numbers, define a relation, and the relation is given 3x minus y equal to 0. We can say y is equal to 3x. Here the two non-empty sets A and B suppose, then all the elements belong to set B are called the codomain, and elements of the ordered pair, first element of the ordered pair we take it as a domain, and second member of the ordered pair we call it as a range. Here the A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 14, and it is given that y is equal to 3x. So relations developed are 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. 5 and 15 is not possible because 15 does not belong to A. Therefore, the domain of the relations are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and range 3, 6, 9 and 12, and codomain, all the elements belong to the second non-empty set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to till 14th. Number 2, define relation on the set where R is equal to y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number taking less than 4. So if x is equal to less than 4, that is 1. If x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to 6. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. The relations we developed are 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. And therefore the domain actually is what? Ordered pair. First element is called the domain, and second elements of the ordered pair is known as range. It means every time when we get the values, if any function is given to you, we get the values of x, it means we are getting the values of domain, and when you get the value of y, you get the values of range. So in this question the range is 6, 7 and 8. So domain and range given in this question, we find out it is domain is 1, 2, 3 and range is 6, 7, 8. Question number 3. Here the A is given 1, 2, 3 and 5, and the set B elements are 4, 6, 9. And condition is given R is equal to xy such that difference between x and y is odd. Difference between the two number is odd, where the x belong to A and y belong to B. That means every element of, that is 1, 2, 3, 5 we are considering as x, and 4, 6, 9 we can take it them as B. So here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B 4, 6, 9. So the relation we can develop there on the basis of the difference between x and y is odd are 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4 and 5, 6. Okay children, I hope you understood this. Next question. Here the figure is given there, two non-empty set is given there, and we have to develop the relation on the basis of the number of elements given in the two non-empty set, and we have to write set builder form and in the roster form. So P is equal to given there 5, 6, 7, and Q non-empty set elements are 3, 4 and 5. So therefore R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x minus 2, and on the basis of this expression we can get R is equal to 5, 3, 6, 4, 3, 7, 5. So see, 5 is 2 more than 3, 6 is 2 more than 4 and 7 is 2 more than 5. So easily we can develop the relation, that is x is equal to y plus 2. X is equal to y plus 2, or we can say y is equal to x minus 2. So therefore the domain of this relation are 5, 6 and 7, and range is 3, 4 and 5. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, and develop the relation on the basis that AB belongs to A, where B is exactly divisible by A. It means second element of the ordered pair must be divided by the first element of the ordered pair. and then we have to find R in the roster form, write R value in roster form, domain and range. Here the A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So then R, the relation we developed R 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. See 1, 1 divisible by 1, 2 is divided by 1, 3 is divided by 1, 4 is divided by 1. Similarly 6 is divided by 1, 2 is divided by 2. 4 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 2 and so on. Then finally we can write it 6 is divided by 6. It means second member of the ordered pair is divisible by the first member of the ordered pair. Therefore we get the domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. And range are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 as well. Question number 6. Children, are you getting this? So domain means the ordered pair first element, and range means ordered pair second element. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range again. Here R is given x comma x plus 5 and x belong to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the relation we can develop R 0, 5 if x is equal to 0 because x belong to 0 also. If I write 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. So 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, 10. So therefore the domain of the domain of the relation are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and range is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 7. Children, please you try to understand these and get each and every point what I am delivering you. Write the relation here. The R is equal to x comma x cube. It is actually x, not x3. It is x raised to the power 3, where the x is a prime number less than 10. Less than prime number, less than prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 9 is not the prime number because 9 is the multiples are 1 and 3 also. So prime number means the number which is divisible by either itself or 1, that is called a prime number. So write answer in the roster form. So R is equal to x comma x raised to the power 3 such that x is a prime number less than 10. So less than 10, prime number are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So relations we developed are 2, 8. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. 5 raised to the power 3 is 125 and 7 to the power is 343. So we have to develop the relation on the basis of x comma x to the power 3. It means whatever the number we are taking first member of the ordered pair, we have to get its cube as a second member of the ordered pair. Question number 8. Let a is equal to x comma y comma z and b is equal to 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from set A to B. A is equal to x, y, z. Here the b is equal to 1, 2. Then get the Cartesian product of A cross B. So how we get the Cartesian product? Multiply 1 by 1. For example, you are getting the cross product of x with 1, x2, then y1, y2, z1, z2. This way we get the Cartesian product of the two numbers. Since their n A cross B is equal to 6, so therefore the number of subsets of A cross B is 2 raised to the power 6. Children, it is actually 2 raised to the power 6. It's not 26. Therefore the number of relations from A to set B is 2 raised to the power 6. I hope you understand this all. So please go through sincerely from question number 1 to question number 8. Check one by one. Do at your own and then give me the result whenever the school will open. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good time ahead.